Very good. Microbes are present everywhere. They are very small. Good answers. Okay, we need to see through what? Microscope. We need microscope to see the microorganisms. They're very minute. Okay, all this you know about microorganisms. What are the characteristics? So you told also the characteristics. They are very minute. They are present everywhere in land, soil, water, air, everywhere they are present. Okay. So they are having very small cells, prokaryotic cells, and can be seen only under microscope. Okay. Next question is, how did you observe microbes? For that, you already answered me. We can observe through the microscope. Very good, students. Now you can see in my screen lactobacilli. Now this is a microorganism which is very useful to us. Okay, we can observe through the microscope. Now lactobacillus, what is the characteristic? They are very minute. Minute means what? Very, very small. What is the shape? They are rectangular shaped. Remember the shape. What is the shape of this microorganism? Rectangular. Okay, you know rectangular shape means what? Opposite sides will be equal. Yes. So they are having rectangular shape, anaerobic bacteria. What is meant by anaerobic, students? They are for their respiration, they don't need oxygen. That means they can respire anaerobic. So they are anaerobic bacteria. Okay. In the absence of oxygen, they can do respiration. That's why what we call them as anaerobic bacteria. So what is the characteristic of lactobacilli? They are very minute. They are rectangular shape. They are having rectangular shape as well as they are anaerobic. Okay. That is a useful bacteria. And what is the main use? They convert lactose sugar present in the milk into lactic acid. Now there is, when you will taste the milk, you feel the taste. What is the taste of milk? If you will not add sugar also, there will be some taste. Have you tasted milk? Yes. Little sweet, little sweet. Okay. Sweetness is there. That is because of which sugar? Lactose sugar. Lactose sugar is present in the milk. Okay. So this lactose sugar present in the milk is converted into what? Lactic acid. And what we get from that? We produce yogurt from the milk. Have you tasted yogurt, students? What is the taste of yogurt? Anybody knows? Yes, you have tasted Ayushi. Very good. What is the taste? Yes, Ashwin, it is little sour and salty. Yes, sour and sweet. Very good, Shabrish. Okay. Sour taste. Mainly you can say it is acid. That's why acids are sour in taste. Yes, in Hindi, what you call khatta. Yes, khatta. You are having yogurt with your rice. Yes. So yogurt and rice combination is good. And what this yogurt from where we are getting? From the milk. Okay. And they are also used in the fermentation process. Now, what is this fermentation process? Anybody knows what is meant by fermentation, students? Okay. Getting the answers. Good. Okay. The process by which milk gets converted to curd. Okay. That is called as fermentation. Lactobacilli fermentation process. We can also make many things like bread. Okay. Bread is made by this fermentation process. Okay. So lactobacilli, what it does, it convert the lactose, the sugar in the milk, into lactic acid. And this process is called as what? Fermentation. I don't want all the students to type in the chat box. First, listen to the explanation. Okay. Then you can type the answers. If I'll ask some question, then you have to type. Okay, fine, students. So as a result, the pH of the milk decreases. When during fermentation, what happens? The pH of the milk will decrease. What is pH? What is pH? Anybody knows? Concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay, that is called pH of the milk. Hydrogen ions present in the milk. That concentration of the hydrogen ions in the milk will decrease. Okay, and because of this, what happens to milk? Milk will coagulate. There will be coagulation of milk. Milk proteins will coagulate. You know, proteins are present in milk. So all the milk proteins will come together. Have you seen the structure of milk and yogurt? Milk is very fluid. If you will pour the milk, it will be easily poured. But yogurt is having some coagulated proteins. That's why yogurt structure is different. Yes. So coagulation means what? You are adding milk to yogurt to milk. What happens that time? The lactobacilli convert lactose sugar in the milk into lactic acid due to fermentation, and pH of the milk will decrease. When the pH of the milk will decrease, what will happen? Coagulation of milk proteins occurs. That's why yogurt, if you will taste yogurt, it is sour in taste, and the structure of yogurt is different from that of milk. Yes. So the milk proteins are separated from other constituents of milk. This is what happens when milk changes into yogurt. Okay. So this way yogurt is having a specific sour taste due to presence of lactic acid, and low pH will destroy harmful microbes present in the milk. So all the low, because of this low pH, whatever harmful microorganisms are present in the milk that get destroyed. That's why it is very healthy. Okay. So this lactobacilli, if added to the eatables, the eatables becomes very healthy because they can kill the harmful microbes like bacteria in the alimentary canal. What is alimentary canal? Your digestive system. In the stomach, in our stomach, there are certain harmful bacteria. Okay. So these harmful bacteria, how we can kill them? By having yogurt. You should daily take a bowl of yogurt in your food. Okay. So because yogurt is having lactobacillus, it will improve our immunity. I hope everyone understood how lactobacilli is useful to us. Okay. So there are certain uses of lactobacilli. We can make various milk products like yogurt, buttermilk, ghee, cheese. All of you love cheese, no? Cheese is very tasty. Okay. And Shrikant. Okay. All these food items you might have eaten. Yes. These all food items are obtained by what? Fermentation of milk. Okay. So lactobacilli fermentation is useful even for production of cider, cocoa, pickles of vegetables, etc. Okay. Even we can use it for treating some abdominal discomfort. If you are having stomach pain, that time also you can have this lactobacilli in the form of yogurt. Okay. And even there are fodder for domestic cattle like cows and buffaloes. So that fodder is fermented with the help of lactobacilli. Okay. So in this way, we can use lactobacilli for many things. You have to learn the uses of lactobacilli. Okay, lactobacilli fermentation process is also used to make wines and some types of bread. So that is some information about lactobacilli.